Hey guys, it's Jay. Day 4 of the 100 days of summer, and my words are coming back to haunt me already. On day 1, like a cocky idiot, that's Jen. She's not what's haunting me. Kinda. Look at the stick she's got. It's slightly. Alright, so quick story first. Yesterday we're climbing Coxey's Mountain. We're at the base of the mountain. Jen, you want to tell this?
Nope.
Alright, so here's what happened. I thought I would take my walking stick and stick it in front of her legs so that as she lifted her foot to step, she'd get it off the shin. She lifted her leg higher than I expected, went right between her legs, she folded over the thing. This is funny when you tell her. Why don't you tell her?
No.
See? She loves it. She was roaring after she took the rocks out of her hand and the blood off her face. Anyway, here's what I'm saying. It's raining and we're just starting East Bay Hills Trail. It's like 7 o'clock. Apparently we can do this in enough time to get out of here. So, here's what I'm doing. What are you doing? Let me know what you're up to today. Post it. Big Deals Weight Loss Challenge on Facebook. Thanks.